Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am here today to do an unboxing of a travel item as well as a really cool Hermes gift that is under $100. So if you're interested, continue to watch. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. So I hope everyone had a good holiday season. I know this video will go live slightly after the holidays, so hopefully I would have gotten to use the item that I'm going to show you so that I can insert it here. But in case any of you are thinking about traveling for the new year and need some accessories, this may be a good thing to get to prepare for the year. I'm filming today in a new area because I need more space to show you these items, so hence the different background. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, so it is massive. It came in this box I just got from the post office. It is very heavy, so I'm gonna put it back down. But this is from the brand VIPbox, and I chose the very cute color that I'm about to show you here. They have many different, let me just get into it. All right, I don't know if you can see it from here, but it is a huge, huge, huge box. All right, so this is huge. As you can see, this is the luggage that I got from VIPbox, and this one is in the light blue color, super pretty. It is quite big because this is the largest size, but let me just take a quick look. It looks like it is expandable here, and there are TSA locks built in. There's also a handle right here, as well as a handle up here, and then a telescopic handle right here. 360 wheels. Even on carpet, it is so smooth. And let me open this up. All right, so as you can see, there is another one in here, and wow. Okay, so this is very, very big. Let me just remove this guy. It's really well packaged. So here you could see that there is a pink one, but before I do that, let me just finish up here. So you can see that this side has the bungee elastic, and then this side has the zip, and everything feels very sturdy. So let me just close this up. You can see up here there's a solid zipper pocket, and then here there is a mesh pocket. So it allows you to put different things in there. So like if you have like dirty laundry, that's probably a good one. So I'm gonna zip this back up just so that you can see what it looks like. Now, oh, it's a lot lighter without the nested suitcase, but you can also hold it like that, as you can see. But this one is the largest size. So let me move this aside and show you the pink one right here. So right away, I can see that the pink one is shorter than this blue one, and it is still a checked in size, but this one is obviously a larger check in size. So I'll give you the dimension in just a second. Okay, so here we go. This is the pink one, and it is still the same type of construction, but just a different color, and it does have an expandable section. So let me open it for you. Oh, and it does have the side handle as well as a TSA lock the same way as the blue one. And this one, I mean, with a telescopic handle, yeah, you can see that it's super easy to push around with the 360 wheels. And this is carpeted right now, so on, you know, hardwood floor or, you know, asphalt or concrete, it'll be even smoother. So to open up, you can see that there is one more guy in here. Let's just grab that one out. Okay. All right, so like the blue one, there is two halves. One is held by this bungee corded side, and the other one has this kind of flap, and if you close the flap, you can see again it has two compartments. One is a mesh pocket and the other is a solid pocket. So that is very neat for different purposes. Like one, I would probably put like, you know, wet stuff to keep it from dripping all over the place. But yeah, lots of options. Now that the smallest one is out of this one, you can kind of see it's much lighter. Like one-handed, no problem. I'll give you the weight of these in just a second, but let's look at the last one here. The last one is this super cute green mint color. All right, so this is the mint color, and the mint one is the smallest one, which is also a carry-on, but it has the same handles as you can see from the other larger ones, as well as a TSA lock. All of these are very sturdy German polycarbonate material, which makes them very light. I don't think there's a nested thing in here, but let's just check. Nope, it's just the, yeah, it is just the luggage itself. So again, the bungee cord side, so you can put bulky things here, but you can also see that there is a pocket side. So here we go. All the materials feel very sturdy and quality. Again, there are two pockets. One's a mesh one, and the other is a solid one. And yeah, so it's no frills, but it is extremely light. Like this one feels so light, and all of them have also this bumper, so if you wanted to leave it on the ground like this, it'll protect your luggage. And again, this one has a telescopic, a much taller one, handle, and turns super well. And there we are. We have three, so let me line them up to share with you. This is the macaroon set, so all next to each other now so that you can see it. But the macaroon set from VIPbox comes in three colors. They're all pastel, which is right up my alley. This one, which is the light green, is the smallest, and it is the carry-on. It is empty, a little over 6 pounds. So it's 43 liters and is 21.8 inches tall, 15.1 inches wide, and the depth is 9 inches. So this can fit most carry-on luggage sizes so that you can bring it with you. This middle one, the pink one, so cute, love the pastel pink, is a checked bag. It's the medium size and it can fit 65 liters of items. It is 8.7 pounds, and so the height of this one's slightly taller. So it's 25.8 inches instead of 21.8 on the smaller one. So the medium size, 25.8 inches tall, 17.7 inches long, and 10.6 inches deep. Moving on to the large, which is the light blue color, which also kind of looks periwinkle here, but it is definitely more of like a sky light blue. This one is the largest and it weighs 10.25 pounds and it is 110 liter size luggage. The dimensions of the blue one is 29.5 inches tall, and it is 19.8 inches wide and 11 inches deep. So these are all very your standard sizes. You can also see that they're very uniquely designed. It has these like bumps and ridges. It has a very minimal VIPbox logo here. I love how light they are. VIPbox sells many different styles and colors. This one is the macaroon set, but they also have a blue set. You can buy them separately as well. So you can buy just this one or just this to carry on. But I think if you are thinking of all of them, then the set would all obviously be a better value. So this is brand new to me. I have not tried a VIPbox product before, but looking into them, they are a premium travel luggage brand, and all of their suitcases are very durable. I have actually seen a video of them doing a crash test. I'll try to like insert it here or link it here below if I cannot find it to show you on the cutaway, but it basically had a truck back into one of their luggages, into a wall, crush it, and then pop back open as if nothing has happened. It is kind of crazy how durable it is. So I'm excited to bring it with me to see how it goes. I have been using my Remova for carry-on, but I don't really have any go-to checked bags. So I'm glad that this set includes both the carry-on, but also checked bags. Let me bring this back down. I love how simple it is on the inside. It makes it super functional. And the colors, oh my gosh, I have not seen luggage in these colors before, and I love this color. It's so easy to spot. So if somebody were to accidentally grab your luggage, you can, I could tell right away. It's like, that's mine. So yes, I love this. I love that it's expandable. Only the carry-on's not expandable, but you probably don't want to expand it anyway if you're going to carry it on, because then it'll be too large to carry on. But the checked bags here, checked luggages here, are both expandable. So if you fly back with a lot more goodies, souvenirs, you can definitely open it up without needing to buy a bigger luggage. I love the set. It is only $209 for all three of these items, and with my code VIPangeleyn, you'll save 10%, making this less than $200. If you're interested in buying just this large size, for example, this is $109 on its own. And with my discount code VIPangeleyn, it's less than $100. So it is an amazing steal. And same with this one. This one, if you want to buy on its own, it is $99. With my code, you will be able to get it for less than $90. And this one is one of my favorite colors. Oh my gosh. This one is only $79, but if you use my code, it'll bring it down to only $71. So I think this is an amazing set. If you are looking for something this year to travel with, you can definitely bring them all together, bring them individually, but they kind of go together because they're all kind of pastel, and yeah. So cute. These only took about 3 to 7 business days. This is during the Christmas holiday time, so I'm assuming it'll be even faster on not crazy holiday times. It was shipped in the US, so I expect it to come pretty quickly as well. So I will list all of these guys below in the description box, as well as my discount code if you're interested in saving some money. I definitely will be getting a lot of use out of these guys this coming year. All right, the second thing that I want to share with you here is this. This actually came in a wrapped plastic baggie, but I already took that off. But this is what actually comes in the mail. I wanted to show you. This is from Hermes, and it is a very, very surprisingly cute and special piece. And you can get it online. I can list it down below. So if I can get it open, there we go. All right, so to reveal this, and as you can see, it says Bienvenue, and then Hermes right there. Very cute. It does have, oh, I didn't realize this, but they gave me the new perfume, Barenia. That's really cool. I can't smell anything. I'll smell it in just a sec. There's also a little receipt card, and then it comes with its own packaged box. So this is really interesting because yeah, this was purchased on the website, but I love that it comes with you know, their usual very iconic orange box. I wanted to share this with you because this was less than $100, so it makes it a great gift for yourself or to somebody. Just very, very special. It has, you know, all of the packaging. And here we are. It is a book. Now this is a very neat book because it is I don't know if you could tell. This is a depiction of the New York flagship store. So I went to this location earlier this year and I loved it. It's one of their newer ones. I believe I think they built it in the last couple of years. So this is the book. It's very, very pretty. And it says New York right there. Brick building. It's got this pixelated print, which is really cute as well. Don't know if you can see that. Super cute. And then here are more designs up here. And it is a blank book. Just got the little logo down there, but otherwise very, very special. This is a great gift for anybody who likes stationery, but also somebody who kind of likes a little bit of luxury. This is, like I said, under 100, so it won't break the bank, but it is special enough where if you gifted it to somebody, I'm sure they'll be delighted. And the best thing about this is that it actually comes with all of the, you know, usual Hermes packaging so that they get the entire experience. I will link this below. It is still available as of this filming video day, so hopefully they'll still be there. But yes, it is a beautiful piece. It feels very substantial in your hand. It is soft covered, but nonetheless a very special piece. If you're interested, I will link this below. Alright, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will try to insert clips, if I haven't already, of the new suitcases that I show here. I do plan to bring it on a few trips coming up. I have a lot of bridal showers, weddings, bachelorette parties, like for my friends and families coming up, so I will definitely be using these quite a lot. So if you would like to see me using them, where I go with them, visit me on my Instagram at Clutch to Carry All. You can see those live in the wild. So yep, hopefully you find this helpful. If you did end up getting something or if you have questions about it, leave it in the comments below and I'll try to get back to you. Otherwise, yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.